These are the products I'll be using in today's video.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is your girl Courageous Jazz, and today's video is about skin. I will be doing a Indian clay mask. I'm pretty sure you've all heard of it. It is this bad boy right here. I have my apple cider vinegar. On the back it says you could use it with water, but a lot of people use it with apple cider vinegar, so that is what I'm gonna be doing. So if you haven't seen this, probably living under a rock. I've had this for quite some time and I'm just now using it because I want to know what all the fuss is about. And I want to see if it actually does something for my skin. And right now my face is freshly washed. I don't have anything else on it. I just wash my face, use my Clarisonic and some face wash, scrub my face, pat it dry. So this is my face, and just face. And I have really problematic skin. I've always had problems with my skin since I can remember. Recently it's gotten worse as I've become an adult. And of course, I've tried literally everything, all over the counter stuff, under the counter stuff. I went to a dermatologist, been prescribed pills, all type of stuff. Nothing works. It's a few that I haven't tried, but it's kind of just like at this point in my life, I'm really trying to do a lot of natural remedies as far as skin or, you know, health wise. Also, my diet plays a big part on why my face breaks out. I've noticed that recently for the past like little over 6 months. Shit, I feel like it's coming up on a year that I've been getting facials because I'm just trying to take better care of my skin. And my diet does play a big part of that, and also drinking water. And for the longest, I did not like water. I could not drink it. I was just drinking juice and soda. Fast forward to present day, I drink at least 3 bottles of water a day. I am trying to work up to 5 or a gallon. That's literally the ultimate goal. But I'm gonna stop rambling and talk more about this mask. So it pretty much says mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water, which I did not use. I used apple cider vinegar. Use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. World's most powerful facial and it's a pound of clay and it makes 10 to 15 facials. So now that I know, it says use it once a week, but because I do have problem skin, clearly I can use it more than once. So, but what I'm gonna do is probably use it twice a week if it works and does everything that it says it's going to do. So enough of that, I'm just gonna get right into it. I've already mixed it together off camera, and this is what my face looks like. So let me start putting it on my face. I feel like this might be a fail the first time around, but we will see. And I break out all up under my chin too. My esthetician tells me that when you break out underneath your chin, that's hormonal breakouts too, which that recently just started happening. First it was just, you know, on my chin area and my cheeks and forehead. Then I started noticing it happening underneath my chin, and I'm like, what the hell? So yeah, if you can afford facials, you should. Oh, I got that all in my eyebrow, whatever. you should definitely invest. You need to invest, period, in your health, but you definitely need to invest in quality stuff to take care of your skin. Like I said, if you can afford it, I definitely would advise you to go get a facial or see an esthetician, so that way they can see like what's going on with your skin. Now I feel like I don't have enough on my face, but we'll see. We'll see. Everybody swears by this, so we'll see if I'll be a part of the Indian clay mask gang. I went ahead and added a little bit more to my face. This side looks like it has way more than this side, but I've already rinsed out my bowl and threw out the rest of the mixture, so it's just gonna be an uneven mask. Hopefully it still does the same exact thing. We are 7 minutes and 24 seconds in. To give y'all an update, I just feel it tightening. That's all it's doing right now, is just tightening. I don't feel any tingling, I don't feel any pulsating, I don't feel anything. I just feel it getting tight, like around in these areas. Like it's getting tight around here. Yeah, and then a little bit on my forehead. I honestly don't feel anything happening. Maybe I did it wrong. Maybe I put it on wrong. It's just really tight. So I can't say that. It's just really tight, but I just feel like it's only tight because it dried on my face. I don't really feel like it's pulling anything. I don't feel any pulsating. Still don't feel any tingling. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this mask and you're getting the same results or the same things that I'm getting, because I don't feel anything. It just feels like a mask on my face and it's hardening and getting tight. Maybe that's what it's supposed to do, but if you tell me that I'm supposed to have pulsating skin in big red bold ass letters and feel some type of tingling sensation, I feel like I should already be feeling that, because it's been 15 minutes and the countdown begins. Now that the timer has went off, I will rinse this off with warm water like it says, and I'll come back and show y'all the results.
So this is what I'll be using for aftercare. I have my witch hazel and lemon, my 2 facial sprays, the Garnier Skin Active in rose, and the Mario Badescu with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I also have my almond oil, the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer, and my Derma E Vitamin C.
So this is my face once I rinsed the clay mask off. It definitely was harder to get off than I expected. I feel like I literally had to like physically, like, I don't know, not really scrape because I'm using the side of my hand, but it was just really difficult to get off. Maybe y'all can tell the difference. I don't really see a difference at all. It just feels like any other, I don't know. I definitely don't see a difference. This is what I'm putting on next. Squirt, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fingertips, rub it together. To seal it all in, seal that in. But the facials really do help me. Also, I know that my diet, like I was saying earlier, contributes to my face breaking out. When I eat healthy, my face shows it. When I eat like shit, my face shows it. I'll be spraying this on my face. is next. Guys, that is it. Again, I didn't really feel what they were saying on the back of the packaging. So like I said, it started to dry up, and I feel like that's the only reason why it was getting tight, is because it was drying on my face. If you feel like when you tried the mask that it didn't work, put that down in the comments below. Let me know. Or if you think I did it wrong, also let me know so I can try this again, and maybe I did it wrong. Maybe I mixed, even though it says half and half, then maybe I made it too thin. I don't know. But if I did anything wrong, or if you got the same results that I did, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.